Fixing biometric data changed error on login. Now, if you're getting a biometric data changed, especially on banking applications, this is because whenever you opened a bank, you registered the biometric using your current biometrics, right? So you set up a certain fingerprint. But then later on, you remove that fingerprint from your settings or Face ID for iPhones, right? And you registered a new fingerprint, or you added a couple of new fingerprints in that case. That is why, for your own security, the bank application will not give access to the new fingerprint because it might not belong to you. So if you go there and register, and then what you have to do for this is re-register that new biometric again. So on your banking app, look for the option called Set up Biometric again, then check that option and re-register using the new fingerprint that you added to your security settings on your mobile phone. And this is done for your own security. It's not a bug, it's actually just a feature. So I hope the video helped you. Thanks for watching, and do subscribe for more tips and tutorials such as these.